Hi, I'm Rahayu Indrisa Putri, and now I want to tell you how to make fruit salad. Ingredients: it's 1 pear, 1 apple, 1 small bottles of yogurt, and melon, 5 strawberries, 6 grapes, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. And utensil or tools: knife, cutting board, bowl, spoon, and step. First wash the fruit, peel and then sift the fruit if needed. Second, slice and cut them in cubes, and then arrange them in a bowl. Then pour mayonnaise and yogurt over it. Next, mix them until blended, and then refrigerate them until cold. Finally, serve cold. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope I can help you to how to make fruit salad. Assalamualaikum.